In today's world, communication is more important than ever. But it's not just about talking. It's about connecting, empathizing, and truly understanding one another.
Oracy, the ability to express thoughts clearly and listen actively, is a crucial skill that prepares students for the future.
Introducing oracychampions.com, the platform that transforms speaking and listening into powerful learning tools.
With Oracy Champions, teachers can track speaking and listening skills, pinpoint areas for improvement, and celebrate growth with every conversation.
Through engaging activities, games, and assessments, Oracy Champions help students build confidence and master the art of communication.
And with real-time insights, you'll know exactly where each student stands, so you can support them in becoming confident, empathetic communicators.
In a world where AI is shaping our future, communication, empathy, and critical thinking are more human than ever. And Oracy Champions prepares your students for just that.
Are you ready to inspire the next generation of confident speakers? If so, visit oracychampions.com and start your journey today.